What is up, guys? Check it out back here. It is dark, man. We got the blazer on, the lights on. That's the rear dome light hanging, and it's just lighting up everything back there while I work. It actually works great for it hanging like that because it lights up in 360 degrees around it. But anyway, we got the one side in, guys. It went okay. I figured out a good way to fix that and get those in without gluing them in case they ever need replaced. That was kind of a pain in the butt, but I kind of got lucky a little bit, so I'm grateful for that. But we got it in, we got the one wired. We're getting ready to do the driver's side, and then we'll put it all back together. But before we get this one back in, I'm going to show you guys how I fixed the other side and how I'm going to fix this side, and we'll go from there. So that's what it is. I'm going to get you flipped around, and you guys can check this out. Alright guys, we're here in the Trap Shack. I got the speaker right here in front of me. It's getting ready to go back in. I'm going to get you flipped around, and you can check this out. Alright, trappers. This is the poke that's going in there. I figured out what this is. This isn't the bracket. This is the actual Bose speaker. This is the bracket. It came on the speaker. They had to cut T-hold speaker out of here to get this in. That's what that really is what my guess is. So they cut the speaker out. So that's why they did that. So they glued it in. But what I did is I got some self-tappers here. Let's see if we can see the back side. Yeah, you see that? They're going to go through the inside sheet metal. We're going to go ahead and clip them in, get them bolted in, and then what I'll do, since these holes are already here through my plastic, these would be my guides. I'll go ahead and I'll cut the holes with the self tapper. I'll back the screw back out, then I'll place the speaker in, and it'll screw in just like it would from the factory, and we'll run the wire lead. So that's how I'm going to resolve that. Big shout out and a big thanks to Aaron Marks. He's the one who came up with these self-tappers for me. So that was real great. I'm glad he had these on hand. The screws I had would not have worked out as nice as these did. So he saved me a lot of work, a lot of time, and he makes this install a lot cleaner. So I really appreciate that, guys. Give him a big shout out. But we're going to get this in, get the blazer put back together, and we're going to keep on trapping. We will see you guys in the next clip.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.